This is the complete guide to Synthesia, the AI video platform used by over 50,000 companies worldwide to create professional presenter videos without a camera, studio, or filming budget. By the end of this video you will know every feature Synthesia offers, how the avatar and translation system works, why L&D teams are the highest value users of this tool, how Synthesia compares to HeyGen, DID, and Descript, every pricing plan, and the real workflows organizations are running with Synthesia right now. Let us get into it. Synthesia is an AI video platform founded in London in 2017. The company has raised over $90 million in funding and is used by more than 50,000 companies globally, from Accenture and Reuters to Nike and the BBC. The core workflow is simple: type your script, choose an avatar, generate the video. No camera, no studio, no presenter needed. Synthesia offers over 230 stock AI avatars covering diverse ages, genders, languages, and professional styles. Custom avatars, your own face and voice cloned, are available on paid plans. The language system is one of the most capable in the category, over 140 languages with automatic translation and lip sync. SCORM export lets training teams publish directly to any learning management system without leaving Synthesia. The platform is used most heavily for corporate training, onboarding, compliance videos, product explainers, and multilingual communications. Let me walk through every major Synthesia feature. AI avatars, over 230 stock presenters covering diverse ages, genders, languages, and professional styles, all included on every plan. Personal avatar, record 2 minutes of yourself speaking and Synthesia clones your face and voice. Your avatar presents every future video. Auto translation, translate any Synthesia video into 140 plus languages with automatic lip sync. Your English video becomes Spanish, Hindi, or Japanese in minutes. Template library, over 200 pre-built templates for training, onboarding, compliance, marketing, and internal communications. Multi-scene editor, a slide-style editor lets you build multi-section videos with different scenes, transitions, and layouts. Screen recording with avatar overlay creates software tutorial content with your avatar presenting alongside the screen capture. SCORM export, publish directly to Moodle, Cornerstone, Docebo, or any LMS. And the brand kit applies your logo, colors, and fonts to every video automatically. The Synthesia avatar system is deeper than most users realize. Stock avatars, over 230 immediately available, no setup required, diverse professional styles, all included. Personal avatar, the most commercially valuable feature, record 2 minutes of yourself and Synthesia builds your avatar within hours. Your face and voice then present every future video for you. Expressive avatars, an enhanced tier with more natural head movement, gestures, and emotional range, more suitable for external-facing content. Group scenes, place multiple avatars in one frame for panel, interview, or team announcement formats. The multilingual capability applies to every avatar. The same presenter speaks 140 plus languages so you maintain consistent branding across every market. Enterprise plans include fully custom avatars built from a professional video shoot. Different avatar visual styles, business, casual, studio, outdoor, let you match the presenter environment to your brand tone. And the Avatar API enables programmatic video generation at scale for teams building Synthesia into their own workflows and pipelines. Here is how to create your first Synthesia video from start to finish. Step 1. Go to synthesia.io and create a free account. 3 minutes of video per month, no card needed. Step 2. Start a new video. Browse the template library for your use case, training, onboarding, marketing, or start from a blank canvas. Step 3. Type your script directly into the text panel. Synthesia reads every word via the avatar, what you type is what they say. Step 4. Choose your avatar and language. Browse over 230 stock options and select from 140 languages. Step 5. Build your scenes. Add images, screen recordings, your brand logo, and color scheme across multiple scenes. Step 6. Preview the video. Use the pronunciation editor to correct any names, product terms, or technical words the avatar mispronounces. Step 7. Generate and download as MP4, or publish directly to your learning management system via SCORM export. Generation takes 2 to 5 minutes. Video translation is one of Synthesia's most powerful capabilities and the one that saves the most time for global teams. Step 1. Create your video in your primary language first. Get the script, avatar, and scene structure right in English before translating. Step 2. Open the completed video and select the translate option. Choose your target language from over 140 options. Step 3. Synthesia auto-translates the script and rebuilds the lip-sync frame by frame. The same avatar appears to speak the target language natively. This takes 5 to 10 minutes. Step 4. Review the translated script. AI translation is highly accurate, but always check product names, brand terms, numbers, and any technical terminology. Step 5. Use the pronunciation editor to fix any words that were mistranslated or mispronounced. Step 6. Generate the translated video. Each language version generates independently with the same avatar and visual quality. Step 7. Export each language version to your LMS via SCORM or download the MP4 for your content hub. One original video becomes unlimited localized versions. Learning and development teams are where Synthesia generates its highest business value, and the reason is the update workflow. Traditional corporate training video production costs between $1,000 and $5,000 per finished minute. And every time policy changes, products update, or regulations shift, the video has to be reshot at the same cost. With Synthesia, updating a training video means editing the script text and clicking regenerate. No camera crew, no studio booking, no presenter scheduling. The update takes minutes. At scale, one master video translates into over 140 language versions and publishes to any learning management system via SCORM, giving every employee onboarding content in their native language from day one. Accenture used Synthesia to train over 100,000 employees. The practical tip for L&D teams: start with the compliance and onboarding templates. They include quiz prompt structures and knowledge check elements built in, which saves significant setup time on your first few projects. Beyond L&D, Synthesia is used heavily by marketing and sales teams. Product explainer videos: launch a new feature or product with a professional presenter video in under an hour, no video team needed. Personalized sales video: the avatar delivers prospect-specific messaging at scale, name, company, and pain point in every video, generated programmatically via the API. Multilingual campaigns: one creative brief, one Synthesia video, automatically translated into every market language for global campaign rollouts. Customer onboarding: welcome and setup videos in every customer's native language dramatically improve activation rates. Internal communications: executives deliver company updates, quarterly results, and strategy videos without booking a studio or a filming session. Social content: short-form avatar-led videos for LinkedIn, Twitter, and brand channels. And marketing teams are generating multiple video ad variants quickly for rapid A/B testing without committing a production budget to each direction. Here is every AI feature Synthesia includes and what each one does. AI Script Assistant: generate a complete video script from a topic description or brief, useful for starting quickly on standard formats like onboarding or compliance. AI Avatars: the core feature, 230 plus stock presenters, personal face and voice cloning, and expressive avatar variants. AI Voices: over 120 natural-sounding voices across 140 languages without any recording required. Auto-translation: translate script content and rebuild lip-sync for any target language automatically. Pronunciation editor: fix any word the avatar mispronounces, product names, technical terms, and proper nouns in one click. AI background removal: remove the background from any avatar shot. AI media suggestions: Synthesia recommends relevant images and stock footage to match your script content at each scene. And AI video resize: automatically reformat any video for 16:9, 9:16, or square aspect ratios without manual cropping. Who is Synthesia for? L&D and HR teams are the primary enterprise users. Training, onboarding, and compliance videos updated without reshooting. Corporate communications teams use Synthesia for CEO updates, all-hands recordings, and company announcements without booking a studio. Sales enablement teams create product demo videos, competitor comparison content, and rep coaching materials at scale. Marketing teams use Synthesia for product launches, explainer videos, and multilingual campaign content across global markets. Global organizations are the highest value enterprise use case, one video in 140 languages published to a worldwide LMS. SaaS and tech companies use Synthesia for in-app onboarding videos and product update content. And agencies use Synthesia to turn around client video deliverables faster and cheaper than traditional production. Here is what companies are actually building with Synthesia right now. Global onboarding, new hire videos published to the LMS in every office language on an employee's first day, one master video, 140 translations. Compliance refresh, when policy changes, the training video text is updated and the new version is published in 20 minutes, not 3 weeks. Executive communications, weekly CEO update videos delivered to the whole company with no camera, no scheduling, and no studio. Sales enablement, personalized demo videos generated per prospect via the API, prospect name, company, and specific product features in every video. Customer education, product tutorial libraries in 12 languages built and maintained without a single studio session. L&D course libraries, organizations are building 50+ training module libraries entirely in Synthesia, updated as products evolve without refilming anything. And agencies are producing 30 or more client videos per month with a 2-person team, no production crew, no location, no equipment. Here is the honest comparison. Versus HeyGen, Synthesia has a stronger enterprise track record, SCORM export, and a larger template library. HeyGen leads on voice cloning flexibility and creator-focused tools. Versus DID, Synthesia has a full multi-scene editor and template library. DID generates talking photos faster and with a simpler interface. Versus Runway, Synthesia owns the Avatar Plus script presenter workflow. Runway leads on cinematic video generation and visual effects. Versus Descript, Synthesia has an avatar presenter built into the video creation workflow. Descript has deeper audio editing and the overdub voice correction feature. Versus Loom, Synthesia requires no camera at any point. Loom is designed for fast async video messaging with camera-recorded content. Versus Canva Video, Synthesia has deeper avatar presenter capabilities. Canva integrates design, animation, and social publishing in one workflow. The honest summary, Synthesia is the clear choice for enterprise L&D, multilingual content, and organizations that need SCORM-compatible video at scale. For creator-focused workflows or voice cloning flexibility, HeyGen leads. 8 tips that consistently improve Synthesia output. 1. Write for speech. Maximum 20 words per sentence. Active voice avatars read exactly what you write. 2. Use pause markers. Add a pause tag between sections. Avatars naturally read too fast without them. 3. Fix pronunciations before generating. Use the pronunciation editor on every name, product term, and technical word upfront. It saves regenerating the entire video for one mispronounced word. 4. Use the AI script assistant for structure, then rewrite for your brand tone. The assistant gives you a solid outline, the rewrite is what makes it sound human. 5. Match the avatar style to the content formality. Business attire for formal training, casual avatar for internal announcements. 6. Always start from a template. Blank canvas projects take roughly 3 times longer to produce than template-based ones. 7. Perfect the primary language version completely before translating. Changes to the original after translation require retranslating every language version. 8. Set completion criteria in your SCORM export settings. Track percentage watched rather than just video launch, so your LMS records meaningful completion data. Synthesia pricing. The free plan gives you 3 minutes of video per month, enough to test the workflow and produce a short demo. Output is watermarked and limited to 9 avatars and 1 active video. Starter is $22 a month, 10 minutes of video, over 90 avatars, 125 languages, and access to the full template library. The right plan for small teams starting to use Synthesia for training or marketing content. Creator is $67 a month, 30 minutes of video, over 160 avatars, custom personal avatar creation, and the full brand kit. This is where most professional individual creators and marketing teams operate. Enterprise is custom-priced unlimited video minutes, SCORM export, single sign-on, full API access, personal avatar at scale, and an SLA. My recommendation: start free to experience the workflow. Move to starter when 3 minutes becomes a limit. Upgrade to creator when you need your personal avatar and brand kit. Here is everything you need. Start at Synthesia.io, free account, 3 minutes per month, no card required. Upgrade to starter at $22 when you need more minutes and the full template library. Upgrade to creator at $67 when you need your personal avatar and brand kit, both available at Synthesia.io/pricing. If you want more creator-focused features like voice cloning and a deeper editing toolset, HeyGen at heygen.com is worth comparing, link in the description. All links are below. If this guide helped you understand what Synthesia can do, subscribe. I publish complete, honest guides to every major AI tool every week. Now go create your first presenter video. See you in the next one.